Hi everyone, we are from Mindtree Blockchain COE team. As a part of this hackathon, we have chosen the problem area within the payment ecosystem, which is between the merchant getting onboarded for business with Acquire Bank or processor. This is the merchant onboarding process. We all are aware the complexity of the end-to-end process where the manual involvement adds salt to the cut. As you can see, we have found the pain areas for both the merchant and the Acquire Bank perspective. Mainly, the complexity of the process, the major time required for onboarding, and also the merchant needs to submit the substantial amount of info or documents each time during the renewal or the initial of the application. So as a part of the node orchestration, we have all the merchants in one node, the Acquire banks in different nodes, and the verification agency in different nodes. So as a part of the technology, these are all the technologies we have used in the solution. And the value proposition we are going to have is onboarding time, visibility, savings, and also the discretion which will substantiate during the demo. As a part of the demo, John Smith is a merchant and the account holder of the first bank. Fake bank sample is the Acquire bank, and also the demo bank is the second Acquire bank, where demo bank can see only the summary facts shared by the fake bank sample based on the merchant discretion. So this is the demo, and where the merchant is logging in for the first time, and once he is logging in, he will be seeing as in the dashboard, it will land in the dashboard where it is going to apply for the Acquire bank. And as per the Acquire bank and the combination of the merchant category code, the types of documents which are needed to get uploaded, it is already configured on the platform. And once those are uploaded, as a part of the bank statement, merchant needs to upload the bank statement of a specific bank, which is the first bank here, and pass on the consent here to the fake bank sample. And this here you can see while passing this fake bank sample the consent, as we have mentioned in the value proposition that the discretion of the merchant is required. So here the merchant is providing that particular discretion to share the transaction details and the account details with that particular bank, the Acquire bank. So as you can see, the consent has been provided, and as a part of the proceeding, so merchant submits and which is successfully submitted the documents. And once he has submitted the documents, the data is getting extracted by the AI model and the bot, and then it is going to the acquirer to get it reviewed. So the acquirer bank logs in and going to the pending request. He sees the John Smith request in the pending part, and as a part of the history, he can also see that the status. Here you can see all the details with the assigned to details to the Acquire bank admin preview. And as a part of the process, you can also see the documents which have been submitted by the merchant and also submitted getting from the original verifier. He can compare and also click to the more insights to get all the data other than the specific bank statement. And once the Acquire bank is fine, he can go ahead for the minor for the approval. So here the minor mismatch is there, which is acceptable by the bank. And you can see how fast the Acquire bank has onboarded the merchant. And as a part, the merchant is going to apply for the next Acquire bank, which is a fake demo bank here, and passing the consent to the fake demo bank that the first Acquire bank, which is a fake bank sample, will pass on the consent to the second Acquire bank so that all the documents are not required as a part of the submission because the merchant has already submitted for the first time. So as a quick approver, the second Acquire bank can look into those details, and as a part of that, he can look into so now login as an Acquire bank, the second Acquire bank, we can see the Acquire bank can look into the details of the summary fact and directly go ahead and approve. So the Acquire bank can also request for more details if required to the customer. So this merchant onboarding process powered by the blockchain and AI with RPA has introduced a first seamless system for Acquire banks and payment service providers to engage with the new businesses with reduced onboarding time to nearly zero, with higher visibility and transparency for all the parties, as we have seen, supported by the digital trust, and increased cost savings for all the Acquire banks, and merchant discretion and consent is a priority, supported also by the digital trust. Thank you.